start, I'm going to mix my sunscreen with a foundation. I always do this when I'm doing a summer everyday makeup look. So I'm going to take a little bit of the ITK sunscreen. It has SPF 50 in it. Tiny bit of that on the back of my hand. RCMA foundation palette. And I'm going to use this shade here. I'm just going to take my lash applicator just to kind of scrape out some of the foundation and then just mix the two together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take what's on the applicator and just start applying. And the brush that I'm going to use with what's left on my hand, on the back of my hand, I'm going to use the Morphe Ariel brush number A24 and just start applying this. Next, I am going to do some concealing. I'm going to take the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer. I'm also going to do highlighting at the same time. So I'm going to take a small amount underneath the eyes, then apply it to any blemish. I don't have to do every single blemish. Then I'm also going to some highlighting. So I'm going to go right in here and right up against the nose. Here, down the center of the nose, Cupid's bow, and chin. Then before I forget, I'm going to prime the eyes. I'm going to use the ColourPop Party Proof Eye Primer. I should get the colored one. I want the colored one too. And this one is in translucent. Right, now I'm going to do some contouring. I'm going to use the e.l.f. Putty Bronzer in Tan Lines to use a brush. This is the BK Beauty Angled brush. What I'm also going to do is I'm going to place this on the eyes as well. Okay, now we can start blending. So I'm going to take the Morphe Ariel brush number A58 and just start blending in the e.l.f. Putty Bronzer. Oh, and I'm also going to contour that because I forgot to do that. I'm going to take the Anissa Beauty Angled Concealer brush to blend in the concealer. Right now it looks a little crazy, but we can kind of fix that. So I'm going to use the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. This one is in shade 2. I'm just going to fill in the brows. And I'm going to brush through the brows one more time. And then leave it at that. Next, I'm going to use the Anissa Beauty Cream Blush in Coral Peach with the Morphe Ariel brush number A22. What I've been loving to do as well, I'm going to take the same brush and kind of pinch it and then go right on the eyes. Then I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me powder in translucent, and we are going to set the T-zone with this first. Then I'm going to, this was the Morphe and Ariel brush number A14, and I'm going to go in with the Morphe and Ariel brush number A21 and set the outsides of the face. Then I'm going to go with the Morphe and Ariel brush number A11 and set the eyes. So I was going to do lashes, like I always do lashes when I do this type of makeup look, but for this video I am not. I actually wanted to do one more thing before I put on mascara. I'm going to take a Super Shock shadow. This one is in is Ritz. I'm gonna do my mascara off camera and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I just applied my mascara. I used the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara in Blackest Black. And I'm gonna go into highlight. I'm gonna use the ColourPop Super Shock Highlighter in Flexitarian. Now I'm gonna do some brow gel. I'm gonna use the NYX the brow glue in Taupe. For lips, I'm going to use something that's kind of like really close to my natural lip color. So I'm going to use the ColourPop Luxe Lip Oil in Skinny Dip. To set the face, I'm going to use my Revolution Hydrate and Fix Radiance Makeup Fixing Spray. Let's do the Bible verse of the day. This one is Matthew 6:19. Do not lay up yourself treasures on earth, where moth and rust destroy, and where thieves break in and steal. Again, it was Matthew 6:19. That was it for today's video. See you guys in the next one. Bye!